So I'm going into a winter village. Igloos, but they're plastic. So you know, let's have a look. Check this out. Where you order your meals and you get something delivered into your igloo. Let's go and have a look at one. Pretty comfortable. I just sit around and there's no one with me at the moment, but yeah, it looks good. I guess night out, something different. Protects you from the weather. Wow, it's a big one. This is a massive one. Wow. Something different. You know, explore the city in a different way. It's fantastic. And it's not raining either. Want me to get it for you?
That would be amazing.
Yeah.
It's going to be my return trip.
Oops.
I'm good.
Thank you so much.
There we go.
Been such a help.
No worries. Waitress dropped everything. Helped her pick it up. Apparently she's got a difficult bloody customer. There's always one, isn't there? So last time I tried this, I ended up in hospital, and I'm not trying it again. It's too damn dangerous. It's fun. It's fun. It looks fun. The easy way. Skating situated in the car park in Fed Square. Yeah, it looks a lot of fun. Not for me. Fun environment, guys. Looks awesome. A lot of fun. You're cheating, huh? You're cheating. Yeah, there's always some food and drink available. There's alcohol and some snacks. So, you know, well, you're well taken care of as long as you pay for it. That's. I guess activities to do whilst winter's on, and you know, we're not in bloody lockdown. Let's hope that stays the way it is. Let's head off home. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm a bit tired actually. If you have a look at my face, I'm really buggered.